Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you guys some for cycling, a couple of headphones. We got the AfterShokz Aeropex right here, and then we got the newly released Bose Sport Open Earbuds. These are just released in 2021. These, I think, 2019, or really late 2019. So for bicycling, or running outdoors, which one are these two are going to be good for that? I can tell you, these suck. I do not like these. These I just tested, and they are amazing. So I'll show you what they look like inside. I can give you my explanation. All right, the AfterShokz come in this box like this. Open them up, and I got these blue ones, which is very pretty looking. Pretty cool. I love this color. The shocks. All right, they go around your ear, as you can see, and they have this piece here will be sticking behind you. Okay, so I didn't put these on, get the sound, and they just are muffled. They do not sound good at all. You can hear outside, you can hear all the sound around you. They are comfortably weird to be worn on, except for this piece dangling around on your back. But the sound is very muffled, and that's just a turn off. It's really, you got no bass. It sounds like, I don't know, it's just very weird. I don't know why everybody's so high on these, even for cycling. Yes, ears are open, which it should be, and that's a good thing. That's a pro on that. Has a volume up and down, which is a pro as well. Has a proprietary charger, just like these Bose will as well. And those are some of the cons, but the goods are very cool color, open ear. It's a bone, what do they call it? I don't know. Bone construction headphones, and that's another thing that's kind of weird, the way it vibrates on your ears. Anyways, I do not like these. I do not care the hype, whatever the reviews are saying about these, because this guy is a game changer. Let's talk about these. Let's open this up here. These beauties are very different. They are not bone conduction, or whatever that thing is called. These are Bose Sport Open Earbuds. So basically they ride right above your ear canal, so the sound gets ported in. I'll show you here. I gave these guys a test run on the bike, and I can give you that video. Will come right after this. I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. I've been using AirPod Pros with a strap behind it. Okay, without the AirPod Pros, I go down a hill and they fly off. Oh my God, disaster. I have to go get them all the time. So then I put a strap on them, and those things fall off. Totally upset. Besides that, they're in your ear, and they're blocking a lot of the sound. Even you don't have noise cancellation on. So those things are just no good for cycling. And that's what this review is about. I want to know what's great for cycling. So these guys, these are awesome. So it's a magnetic opening, and these are what they look like. A little different, new technology. So as you can see, they go around your ear, and the sound gets directed into your ear canal without blocking it. So this rests above your ear. Okay, and then same with this guy. And they have a button to turn on This guy has a button to go. The left is only for Siri or for, you know, voice assistant kind of items, nothing else. Whereas this guy has the microphone. You can change next track, double tap. You can reverse, triple tap. You can answer a phone call, tap, and they're just that's pretty much it. So my video will show live me riding the bike. It won't be in this orientation. It'll be on my bike, so I have it in this orientation. Sorry about that in advance, but you're gonna get an idea of what they are. They do not fall off. They're amazingly unique how this goes behind your ear, and then this gets locked into your earlobe, top of your ears, not earlobe, but on the top of it, and somehow you just twist it as far as you can go, and it gets locked right in there without. Super comfortable. You don't even know they're on. All right, so that's these boys right here. All right, so I'll show you guys what it's like in real life, and then you guys be the judge. Anyways, I'm giving these things a thumbs up. Totally awesome, and I hope you like the video, and we'll go from there. Testing out the new Bose Sport Open Earbuds. Just released 2021, January. Just got them today. And here I go, testing on the bike ride. So far, they stay on nice and clear. No issues at all. Sound phenomenal compared to the AfterShokz Aeropex. These things blow them away. Bass, treble, mid-tones, you can hear it all. I can hear myself talking, in fact. Whereas the AfterShokz Aeropex give that muffled sound. Horrible. I can hear all the traffic noise, all the sound. I hear the car passing by, wind, but still good. Phenomenal. Definitely recommend these for cycles. By 4. All right, I'll go test it down super fast, 40, 45 plus miles per hour, and we'll go from there. Be right back. All right, here we go. 45 miles per hour plus. Checking for cars. Going through the red. Here we go. Testing these new Bose Sport Open Earbuds. Sounds phenomenal. 35, 40, 45. Yeah, those things stay right on. Woo-hoo! Best part of the whole ride. Going down that hill is phenomenal. All right, did a quick turn around and going back up the hill. All right, phenomenal. Love these things. Totally recommend these. Don't even know I'm wearing them. They're phenomenal. Yeah, I'm hype about them because I had the AirPods Pro keep flying off. I have to go backwards to get them. Then I put a loop strap on the AirPods Pro, but still they come out of the ear, even though I have my helmet on top of the strap, just so I know they don't fly away. Can't believe it. Then I go buy these AfterShokz
Aeropex that YouTube is so hyped about, saying that they're awesome for cycling, etc. They're garbage. Totally muffed sound. Can't even hear good music. Then I get these, just came in today. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed this video. This review of the Bose Sport Open Earbuds 2021, just released. I just got them direct from Bose. They delivered them phenomenally fast, within 2 days, even though it says 5 weeks. And paid full price, my own money. This is no bias review. This is a true review. And this is a guy that loves Apple products, and the AirPods Pro for riding on the bike, not recommended. AfterShokz Aeropex totally suck. Don't like the sound of that muffed sound. But they do stay on pretty good. But you have that strap behind you. You know it's there. So I don't like that. These are phenomenal. Alright. Hope you enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up. And some comments if you like. Take care, and may the force be with you, Jedi after death.